1998 Dodge Dakota V8 with a 360 V8 Magnum. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. He's owned it for 30 years, guys. That's insane. He loves this truck. Anyways, as you guys can see, it's true dual into the cat, dual in, single out. We left the cat alone. Then we installed duals on it with Flowmaster 40, part number 430402, right there. 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. And then we finished it off nicely with 2 purple tips by Natami. That's what he wanted. We put on what he wants because the truck is purple, so it matches the truck perfectly, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is, right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the tailpipe and muffler that was on it we took off. All right, here we go. Flowmaster 40 duals on Dodge Dakota 98 RT. That sounds good. That sounds good. Anyway, classic. Just a classic 40 series Flowmaster sound. What do you think of that? Sounds good. Do you approve?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead and back it out. I was telling everybody that you've had it almost 30 years. That's crazy. That's why when you see a one-owner truck, how they stay clean, it's just crazy. Yeah, nice deep tone. Made an old man happy. Made my day. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Dodge Dakota RT V8 with Flowmaster 40 duals, stock converter. Oh, perfect. He drove an hour and a half to get to us. Nobody else would do it for him. We're like, we got you, young man. We'll take care of it. We got it done. Enjoy, guys.